Having a Merry Christmas isn't easy for everyone.
That's right. As the holidays near, mental health struggles, including depression, substance abuse, and even physical harm, they can often increase. So Fox 54's Sunday Eli took a look at this, and she now has some options where you can find help right here in the CSRA.
While many celebrate, the holidays can be challenging for many, even triggering for some. If you know anyone battling with self-harm, seasonal depression, or suicide ideation, there are resources to help you. Georgia uses what's called a 1013, an involuntary 48 to 72 hour hold when someone may be a danger to themselves or others. And doctors say the holidays can bring a spike in crises, especially for people grieving or feeling isolated.
With the holidays on the horizon, it can be a time of joy, but also a time for people who have lost family members or who aren't surrounded by a lot of loved ones or have means to get and do the things they'd like to at the holidays. They can find it very devastating.
Dr. Dexter with Augusta University says not everyone who's depressed qualifies for a hold, but when thoughts turn dangerous, intervention is critical. She says the first step for anyone in crisis is the National 988 hotline, available 24/7. Even law enforcement in the CSRA also responds to a rise in mental health calls this time of year. Columbia County deputies receive crisis intervention training, and they want people to know calling for help does not mean you are in trouble.
So during the holidays, we do have a lot more suicide threats and some harsher things that are happening. So when we do go over there for suicidal or homicidal ideations, we talk to the person, we get EMS involved, and one of the biggest things we do is let them know that they're not in trouble. We're there to help. We're not there to put cuffs on people and take them to jail. We're there to get them the help that they need, and we explain to them all of the services that are available.
And communities are stepping up too. Melinda Dryle is co-creating a nonprofit called The Hive to support children and families experiencing loss.
Unfortunately, mental health just still doesn't get enough attention like it should, and grief especially. You know, everyone shows up for the funeral, everyone brings a meal the first few weeks, but most of the time we find that after the first 3 months, all of that support is really gone.
In Columbia County, I'm Sunday Eli, Fox 54, working for you.